even out?
I loved him. I didn't want to be without him. I mean, you can be upset with somebody and not agree and, have fights about it and all that, but it's never been that serious where I ever thought about leaving or not wanting to be with him. I'm hoping you're about to say the same thing.
I was brought up, I was raised by my grandparents. So my grandfather told me, he said, whenever you get married, and you and your wife have disagreements or falling outs, he said it should stay within your own home. It shouldn't be all over the neighborhood and everywhere else. So when we first got married, I told her, I said, hey, if you get mad at me or we get upset, and you don't want me sleeping in the bed with you because you're mad, I'll sleep on the sofa, I'll go in the next room. You ain't going to your mom's, and I'm not running to my mom's. We ain't running and telling them nothing that's happening in here, because this is between you and me. Right. So and I really believe that real strongly.
I think the whole concept of love, commitment, and marriage is not in its proper place today. Because I think a lot of females feel like love is butterflies in your stomach and looking perfect all the time, and he's smelling good, and he treating you, like royalty all the time. That's not reality. But a lot of women and men, I think, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, go into relationships with the wrong idea about what it comes with. Okay? And here's the thing that's different for us too. It's not just a feeling when you love somebody. It's a decision that you've chosen this person and you're going to be committed to this person. And that there are going to be tests, trials, struggles. You're not going to always agree on the same thing. But today it just seems like the mind said, okay, this ain't working no more, I'm out. See, this is the thing. The problem, I think, with relationships today is people are too selfish. It's all about them. So I get ready to leave the house, he's got my glasses sitting on my purse. You see what I'm saying? He knew me and cared enough about what I needed, my shortcomings, because I am very forgetful. So he gets ahead of that. And he said, she ain't going to wear these glasses. Let me put them on her purse. She got to take her purse with her. Those things are worth gold. And that's why 49 years later, technically 51 years later, you can say this is somebody that is a keeper for life. And that's how I sincerely feel.
Thank you, girl.
You knew that. You knew that. We're still here.